Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we have a very beautiful question which is on your screen. Pause the video and give this question a try. Let's start solving this question. Solution. What is the question? Whole under root 38 minus 3 under root 7 plus 4 under root x minus 6 is equal to 0. To make this question simple, what I will do first is that I will take this minus 6 on the other side. Okay, so we will be writing this like this: 38 minus root 3 7 plus x root and this 4 and this whole square root is equal to 6. What I have done, I have taken this minus 6 on the other side. On this side it is minus, on the other side it will be plus. Or you can also say that I have added 6 on both sides. Okay. In the next step, let us take the square on both sides. To make this simple, we have to take this square root. To cancel this square root, we will take square. So, taking square on both sides, what we will get is that 38 minus under root 7 plus under root x, and these indices 4 and this is cube, is equal to 6 square will be 36. In the next step, what we'll do to make this further simple, I will take this term on the other side and 36 on that side. Okay, this will be like this: 38, this is plus 36, on that side it will be minus 36, is equal to, on this side it is minus, on the other side it will be plus. So we can write under root 7 plus under root x 4 and this cube. 38 minus 36, it is equal to 2, is equal to the same term, which is 7 plus x 4 and this cube. Now taking cube on both sides. Now we will be taking cube on both sides to cancel this cube root. Okay, then this will be 2 cube is equal to 7 plus root x 4. 2 cube will be equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8, and this cube root is cancelled by taking cube on both sides. So 2 cube is equal to 8. We will take this 7 on this side, which will be minus 7 is equal to, now 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, is equal to x root 4. Okay, now we will be taking 4 power on both sides like this. 1 power 4 is equal to x raised to power 1 over 4 multiplied by 4, and this 4 will be cancelled by this 4. So the value of x will be equal to 1, because 1 raised to power 4 is also equal to 1. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel.